and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. And today we have a very special guest. Her name is Danielle Inks. She is an actress, she is a singer, she's a performer, and she's a really good friend of mine. Welcome her to the show. Danielle. Hi, hon. How are you? Oh, I haven't seen you in a long time.
I know. It's been a little while.
You've been super busy.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to be making something for you and showing you how to make it. We're going to make pistachio salad. It's really delicious. Everybody always wants to taste it. Today, you're going to get to taste it here on the show, and you're going to love it.
Yay! If
Right?
I don't, I'll fake it.
If you don't, then we want to see how good of an actress you are.
Okay. It's gonna be so much fun.
Okay, so this is a large bowl. What we need to do is we need to take a wet material, which we have a whole can of crushed pineapple.
That's pretty wet.
Okay, so we're gonna put that in here.
Yeah,
and
that sound.
Well, we'll see if the sound guy likes it. And then we're gonna take, and this is 2 boxes of pistachio. This is 2 boxes of pistachio pudding.
But it looks like powder.
It smells like
Yeah. You
mix.
said it's pudding, but it looks like powder.
But now
I
we're
can't
gonna
cook. I know nothing about cooking. So
we're
I don't know how that
gonna we're gonna
works.
dump that in here, and
Oh,
we're
it's turning green.
yeah we're gonna make this into a nice mix here, right?
Okay.
Mix it all together, and the
Such a
color.
good color.
Yeah, and the color here, and you know, one of the things I wanted to ask you about for color was these crystals that you wear.
Oh yes.
So,
Lots of fun crystals.
Yeah, right?
I always
and,
have crystals on.
And they always look so amazing.
Thank you.
And I have seen different colors.
Yes.
So where do you get them? Let's start with where you get the crystals, because I don't know anything about crystals, but they look really cool.
Well, one of my very best friends, her name is Xanthia Pink.
Okay.
And she makes crystal jewelry. She's on Instagram as Xanthia Pink with an X. Xanthia with an X.
Okay.
So-
and we'll put the name right
Yeah.
here. Xanthia
Right
Pink.
here.
Um,
And she's fantastic, and she does Reiki healing, and she's just wonderful.
Okay, and I could get like earrings or something.
Yeah, she could make
Right?
you-
I mean,
yeah,
something
whatever.
really
She mostly does
fancy.
like necklaces and things like
And
that.
then I could go on your Rocky Horror Show.
Yeah, you can. You can. If you want a guest star, I'll pull you up on stage. Don't even tempt me. I will pull you right up on that stage. We've done that.
So they have different color crystals,
Yeah, they're different. Well, they're different.
and so maybe
crystals,
something
yeah.
like look at the color green
There
we have here now.
is a crystal that I have that's very similar to
And
that
I think
color.
that's why I was talking about the color, because I
know,
remember
it's
seeing the
beautiful.
green one.
Yes, because I have a bright green one. It's
So
amazing.
so when we mix this all together, and that's a
Okay.
nice little base there, right?
See, you've been mixing this whole time. You can talk and mix at the same time. I'm super impressed with you.
I'm not chewing gum or walking though.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Yeah. Or
That's where you
or
draw the
dancing on
line.
stage or being pulled up
That's-
out of an audience.
You are totally.
Because then
giving
I'll
us that.
fall unless I have my bowl and my spatula.
You're definitely coming to my show, and I'm. True story.
Okay, so we're gonna take this really pretty mixture and we're gonna add in some Cool Whip,
Cool
okay?
Whip.
And
Cool Whip.
and everybody loves Cool Whip.
Cool
I'm pretty
Whip.
sure, right? You like Cool.
Yeah.
All right. It sounds like a
I'm
mic
allergic
check.
to pistachios, though. I wish you knew that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm totally messing with you.
I swear
wanted to see
someone's
your
in charge
face.
of sending out that questionnaire.
No, I'm not. I love
Okay.
pistachios.
All
Thank you.
right, I'll get you back. I'll get you back. Okay, so
And
we're
this is why we're friends.
and we're gonna take the Cool Whip and we're gonna mix that in here, right? And while we're doing this, we're gonna take shelled walnut halves and pieces. Okay, they come in a bag.
Can I eat one?
Yeah, you can eat one. Yeah, sure.
you.
They come in a bag. This is about 2 cups. Okay, we're gonna put that in here.
Is that 2 cups?
It's about 2 cups. It's a baker's 2 cup.
Well, what the heck's the difference? I don't cook. I don't know.
The little bag will say approximately 2 cups on the side of the bag.
This is approximately 2 cups?
It's going to say exactly 100% 2 cups without a doubt.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what exactly verbatim. That's what it says.
I'm going to send you a picture of the bag.
Okay. All right. Listen, you have to explain everything to me because I don't know how to do any of this stuff.
Okay. All right. But you do know how to sing.
I do. I can sing.
And you've been singing for a long
many
time.
years.
And when did you start with your stage and your musical theater? Because that's important.
Well, I started singing when I was in junior high. My mother was very involved in the church.
Okay.
And she didn't make me sing. I love to sing anyway, but she was like, "You're gonna sing in church this Sunday," and I was like, "Okay, cool."
And it's a nice expressive performance. So you're
Yeah.
able to.
Oh yeah, I've made people cry. It's awesome. Yeah.
I've made people cry cooking. True story.
Don't make me cry today, okay?
Slice up some onions and everybody cries the whole room.
Oh my gosh.
So what? So tell me, what's your favorite song that you've ever sang?
Oh my
your
goodness.
favorite song, your whole life
That's
since
a
you were
really hard
junior high.
question.
Since you were in junior high.
That's a lot of songs, man.
Okay,
That's a
okay.
lot
What's
of
the one that
songs.
you've done the most?
I don't honestly.
Have you ever done the national anthem?
I did. Oh gosh, this is a really embarrassing story. But I once sang the national anthem at a dog show.
At a dog show? But you're a dog lover.
I know.
So you were in heaven.
Oh, I was. I was
Right?
like trying to like be friends with all the dogs, but because they're professional dogs,
Oh,
their
you
owners
can't
were
pet
like,
'em, huh?
you're not allowed to cuddle
Yeah,
with them.
yeah, you can't
can't
touch 'em.
cuddle. And I'm like, but I love them and I love them so much. Oh, but I had my dog there and I got in trouble for it. I brought my dog to
You
the dog
brought
show.
a non-trained
She's trained.
pet. You brought a pet
She's
to a
trained.
professional.
Yeah, I did. I
Okay.
did. Because I'm that guy. I'm that guy and I did it. Because I'm
You're
a
that
rebel.
girl.
I'm a rebel.
You're that girl.
I'm that girl. I
Yeah,
am a
not a
girl.
guy.
But, but I'm a rebel, so I do what I want.
Okay, and then
I did get in a little bit of trouble, but I was the talent, so they couldn't yell at me.
because you were singing the national
Because I was
anthem.
singing, they're
Yeah.
like, but I left right after that.
So the very,
I did.
so
I
the
was
very
like,
last
"Bye."
thing, the very last thing that we're gonna do on this
Okay.
is we're gonna add the marshmallows.
Oh,
Okay.
marshmallows.
And
I'm
I'm gonna
gonna-
say
I'm gonna eat
say
the
it's
marshmallows.
about 2 cups, but it's 2 cups of marshmallows. Okay.
Okay.
Don't beat me up on that. Now it's 2 cups minus 1.
My
Okay. and then
listen,
we're-
I was always doing that. Like when my mom was cooking, I was always sneaking stuff and she'd yell at me.
Okay. All
So,
right.
Whatever.
And then so we just mix that up like so.
It's very fluffy. It's
Super
very-
fluffy.
It's very
It's
fluffy.
actually its nickname is Fluffy.
Oh, okay. Fluffy.
Pistachio fluffy salad.
Fluffy pistachio
It is.
salad.
It is now.
It is. That's its name. The fluff salad.
The fluff.
Green
And
fluff.
there you go. And that's
Like,
all there is to
If
this.
Slimer had a favorite dessert, that's what. it would be.
And that's all there is to this. That's it. That's it. I mean, look how pretty that looks.
That's super easy. I might actually be able to make that.
And then
Probably
you bake
not.
it. You bake it.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no,
There's
no. you don't
okay.
bake it.
I was
You
like,
don't
is
bake
there?
it. This just gets put in the fridge. This gets put in the fridge.
Oh, I can
once
do
you're done
that.
making it.
I can put
And then
some
we're
in
gonna
the
just
fridge.
put it on one of these plates here,
Okay.
and then we will let you try it. You want to try it?
Sure.
Yeah?
Well, I was already kind of eating it as you were mixing
Oh
it.
yeah, but it wasn't done.
No, that's true. I just ate individual ingredients. So I have to eat this now?
Big spoon or little spoon?
Yay! Little one. I'm little.
Oh, all right.
Big spoon. Little spoon. There's a lot of jokes I could say, but I'm not gonna. Are you not eating this? Is this poisoned? Is that why you're not eating this with me?
I want to see how you do with this before I.
But you're not eating this with
Yes,
me?
of course I am.
Thank
Yes,
you.
a big spoon.
Just to make sure he's not poisoning me, because you never know. Yay, cheers.
Cheers. All right.
Oh gosh. I got a big bite. Mmm.
It was good, right?
Oh yeah, that's really good. I don't
And
even
this-
have to act.
That's good. That's good. That's good. So,
I'll eat more.
super happy you were able to come on the show.
Thank
Super
you.
happy that you were able to learn a new delicious dessert. Quick and easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Show's all about quick and easy.
Quick and easy.
Not very many ingredients, not super confusing, fun,
It's awesome.
and good tasting. That's what we like.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Awesome.
everybody run out and get a crystal that matches this color,
Exactly.
and they can be hanging
Yeah.
in these fancy things. And everybody, let's all follow Danny
Yeah.
so we can see all of these shows that you're in.
Yes.
And thank you so much again. I appreciate you coming on the show.
Thank you for
It's
having
always
me.
fun.
Oh, thank you for having me and help like cooking for me. Well, mixing for me.
We mix here.
I'm gonna eat more.
Thank you very much, guys. And check out all the Cooking It Up with Thomas
So
Haley
good.
episodes. And we'll have more fun guests.
really good.
Probably not as fun as Danny, but
Who
fun
is
guests.
though?
Bye-bye.
Bye.